September is here. Scholarship time for 2026-2027 is actually here. Are you dreaming of studying in Canada but you have no idea where to start? Maybe you are confused about the study permit process. You are searching for scholarships. You are wondering how to write the right SOP. You are worried about IELTS, documents, finances, and making an expensive mistake. If that's you, then listen to this video. Studying in Canada is a big decision. And the problem isn't that information is unavailable. There is actually too much information. Different websites, different opinions, different checklists, different videos. And after hours of research, you can still be asking yourself, what do I do first? What documents do I need? Am I missing something? That's exactly why we created the Canada Study Success Kit 2026-2027. And it's all for you. So do stick around. This is an all-in-one digital preparation toolkit designed for international students who are planning their journey to study in Canada. Instead of trying to organize everything yourself, we've brought the key preparation resources together in one place. Inside the kit, you will find the Canada Study Visa Workbook with practical checklists, planning, guidance, and timelines to help you organize your preparation. You will also get resources for preparing your statement of purpose so you can understand what a strong study plan or SOP should communicate. And if you're looking for ways to reduce the financial burden of studying abroad, the kit includes a top 50 scholarship for international students in Canada guide with research and application planning process. You will also find immigration and permanent resident planning resources to help you understand how long-term Canada journey may help you develop after your studies. And for French-speaking students, we've included dedicated French language Canada guides. Everything is designed to help you move from confusion to a more organized plan. Imagine having one place where you can organize your Canada study preparation. Instead of asking, what should I do next? You have a roadmap. Instead of randomly searching for scholarship, you have a starting point. Instead of starting at a blank page, wondering how to approach your SOP, you have guidance and templates to work from. And instead of keeping everything scattered across your phone or computer, you have a digital toolkit you can return to throughout your preparation. Whether you are a student preparing to apply, a parent helping your child, or a francophone applicant looking for resources in French, the Canada Study Success Kit was created to help you prepare more confidentially. You don't need to have everything figured out today. You just need to know your next step. Click the button below and get instant access to the Canada Study Success Kit 2026-2027. Start organizing your Canada journey today. Study smarter, prepare better, start your journey to Canada with confidence. I'll see you in the inside.